First, open your web browser. Go to the Shotcut website. Download the version for your operating system. Install Shotcut on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the program. Click New Project. Choose a folder where you want to save the project. Enter a project name. Click Start. Now click Open File. Select the Google Flow video you want to edit. Click Open. Drag the video to the timeline. Select the video clip. Click the Filters tab. Click the plus button. Search for Spot Remover. Select the Spot Remover filter. A rectangular box will appear on the preview screen. Drag the box over the watermark. Resize and position the box until the watermark is completely hidden. When you're done, click Export. Keep the default export settings. Click Export File. Choose a folder to save your video. Enter a file name. Click Save. Wait for the export process to finish. Open the exported video and check that the watermark has been removed. That's it. This is how you can remove the watermark from Google Flow videos for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.